guys, so we're on my 2016 and a half new body Cruze today, and we're going to be using some clay bar products. We're going to try out the new Turtle Wax hybrid solutions. I just want to show to you, when you say, yeah, my car's clean, I just washed it, that isn't true whatsoever. Now, you could scrub this at the car wash with the soap boom thingy brush and scratch the crap out of your paint, but without doing some sort of rubbing, your car is never going to be clean, regardless of how often you spray it down with soap. You can see right here, this is from a freshly washed car right here, and that is still dirty as can be. So you can see this panel we've already wiped down with the quick detailer, because I'm going to go over a quick detailer, make sure the car is clean, because the clay bar is going to pick up dirt. So I want to make sure it's as clean as it can be before I do that. So we're going to go ahead and finish getting this wiped down, and we'll get back with you when we do the clay bar. Alright guys, this is my car after I got it back from the car wash. I don't know how well you can guys see the dirt. Here's the clean one, brand new, used after my car was washed at the car wash. So we got the Meguiar's clay bar. Comes with 3 of these clay bars, quick detailer, and a rag, which is over on the trunk here. And basically I'm going to take half of this clay bar, and it says you're supposed to knead it in your hands to warm it up. So I'm going to do that. It's very chilly. So this just came with the kit. It's just their generic quick detailer. And you're supposed to spray it on a panel, and then we'll give her a rub around. Make sure you're well lubricated. Feels pretty smooth under there. You can feel it grab every once in a while. Like there's, oh, somebody's doing a burnout. Dang, get it, boy. So I just want to go over it like this, and then you just want to make sure you're going straightish lines, not in circles like you normally would. And that's how much dirt's left in your paint after you quick detail it and wash it at the car wash. So you want to take your nice little rag here and wipe her down. Now this won't change the way your paint looks, but it will change how your paint works. You will now be able to get the wax to stick better and work better. So clay barring is just getting the deep dirt out of your paint to keep it looking fresh. Then you just want to take this and you want to just knead it and spread the dirt out in here basically. That's why they give you 3 things. Once this gets super dirty, you can go ahead and just grab another clay bar if you need to. But this should do like 2 cars from what I've seen. Alright guys, so she's all clay barred up. I don't know if you can really tell the difference if the camera shows up, but this is definitely much dirtier than this is. And once you have the contaminants out, this is the rag that we wiped everything off with. You can definitely see that this is no longer clean either. So definitely definitely getting a lot of dirt out, which is what the whole point of this is. So next step we're gonna get onto is using some turtle wax. So I saw on Project Farm, he did this new turtle wax hybrid solutions. Not this one, he did the spray wax, but this will help you hide swirl marks and stuff. It's actually like a real wax. Not that the spray wax isn't, but this gives you like a cream that you can deal with, kind of like old school waxing does. So it claims it's gonna make it brighter, and it's gonna protect. And I'll show you on the back what it is there. You can see all what it does. We ordered both, all this turtle wax stuff we ordered was from Walmart and from Advance, but you had to order it on Advance's website. So you have to order the stuff online at the moment. All stores are out of everything, but they'll get it to you next day. So let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, so I'm gonna do half of the hood and then not half the hood and see if the camera will pick it up. It's definitely making a difference. Oh my gosh, look at it.
Just running off.
Oh, or even on the glass, look at that. That stuff works good.